Mexican-style chicken pizzas. I took vegetarian spicy refried beans, but I add a little extra heat to it myself, and I add in a little bit of green hot sauce, a little bit of jalapeno Tabasco, and a little splash of lime juice. Okay? For the seasoning blend for our chicken pizzas, I combined about 1.5 teaspoons or half a palmful each, and that'll coat 4 to 6 pieces of chicken with granulated garlic and onion, chili powder, coriander, and cumin. You mix all that together and you have this wonderful little spice blend. We keep our hand firm on top and we just pull the chicken breast apart as you're separating it with the tip of your knife. And you can pound them out and they look like these guys back here. Season them on both sides liberally with salt and pepper and your spice blend. Then you're only gonna be able to fit 1 or 2 at a time in a large nonstick skillet. I sprayed this with just a little bit of oil, and we're going to add in, well, let's try and get 2 in here, our pizzas, and they will cook about 3 minutes on each side, depending on how thin you pound them out. We're topping the chicken crust, I guess you'd call it, for our Mexican pizzas, with our vegetarian refried beans that we jazzed up with jalapeno hot sauce and a little squirt of lime juice. Now we're going to top that with a blend of mozzarella cheese and pepper jack. And then we're going to top a couple of them fajita style with our peppers and onions. And then we're going to top one of these guys with our Mexican chorizo for the meat lovers. And for that one, I like to add some pickled jalapeno peppers. Okay. And then for this guy, we're just gonna leave him chill and let him go in plain, because when he comes out, he's going to have all kinds of toppings that we haven't even gotten to yet. When the pizzas come out, they're fully cooked, of course. We cooked our chicken paillards about 3-4 minutes on each side. We're just basically melting the cheese, right? So now we're going to make the guacamole that we're gonna put on top. And if you go online, you can have the recipe for my ranchero sauce. We've done this a couple times on the show. It's a spicy ranch with jalapeno peppers, lime juice, garlic, ranch dressing, herbs in there. You can use a combination of cilantro and or parsley, dill and chives, or a green onion. Whiz it all up with the garlic and the lime juice, and it turns into this delicious sauce that you can put on anything. In the bowl, we have already resting with salt and acid, in this case lime juice, our chili pepper and minced red onion. To that, we're gonna add in 1 clove of pasted or grated garlic, couple of Hass avocados, and then you can add a sprinkle of the seasoning blend you already made, or even just a simple little scant ½ teaspoon of cumin. And then I always hit it with a touch of cayenne pepper sauce and a little cilantro, and that's our guac. These plain ones, I then top with some guacamole and a little cilantro and a little green onion. In the center here, we have the chorizo pizza with the pickled hot peppers, the jalapeno peppers. And on the end here, we have a couple of fajita pizzas. So they all taste like giant chicken nachos. This one's got peppers, onions, and garlic up on top. They're all gorgeous. And then you take the ranch dressing, the ranchero sauce, I call it, because it has jalapenos in it, and you just go back and forth all over the board.